So back working on the old CJ6 turning into CJ5, now back turning into a CJ6 project. And we're doing the Rocky Road Outfitters, the high steer kit this morning. We'll stick with this and we'll see what we get done today. So we are working on tapping and drilling this out. And we're going to take the brake off. You can do the other two that are on that part of the knuckle. But on this 74 CJ5 to do this other one, you got to come through here. And since we are putting disc brakes on, pulling off some of this stuff. You want to try to do it on that one over there?
All right, now pay attention. When we pull that off, there's all kinds of shit gonna happen.
So here we are, we got, so to get this, look down here, to drill that one, you kind of gotta go that way to get that off. So I'm gonna pull this off, we gotta pull your hub off, to get the nut off, to get this off, to get to these nuts, to pull this off. So there's a couple steps. Okay, here's.
Need those. Put them in here.
Yeah.
Oh, they look alright. I think it's covered. Come on. That might be the last one. Easy, easy. Oh, you're rotating.
What's that?
Is it dial out?
Well, there's
Ready?
a lock washer in here. So,
well, I guess this is our figure out what the we're getting into, because maybe that lock washer, this whole thing would slide off, but we didn't have to take those off. Good job. Okay.
So if you have the 74 CJ 5 or 6 or 72 through 75, you gotta do this extra piece right here that goes over this 5/8 bolt and then goes over this bolt right here. Then you gotta screw it, tap it down here, like 1/4 inch bolt down here behind your brake. So you need to pull this off, but you need to pull this off, and this off if you want to drill the hole right there. Let's see. If you see that right there. So Buck and I are drilling out these 4 holes on this arm so we can tap this, put these bolts in there. And this is some thick steel. So you gotta drill, baby, drill a lot on these things to get these all ready to go for the tap.
Getting close. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Cool.
That's a lot of drilling.
Yeah. Good times. You might want to sharpen your bit too.
Well, unfortunately, that's it for this weekend. We have to get the 2 1/16 nut to pull this off, to pull this off, to pull this off, to try and get the tap in there. Then also to drill out that inner one on this 1974 CJ5. So we gotta wait till that part gets in. So we're stuck for another weekend. So I guess we're not getting finished this weekend. But see you guys in the next one.